2, 3.
Hi everyone, Rod. This is the Vacuum Warehouse, and this is the unboxing video of Miele's newest sale, the Miele C3 Limited Edition Tayberry. Great vacuum, great price. Out of the box. Let's see what you're gonna get. There will be a how-to video of how to assemble this and maintain this vacuum coming up, so look out for that. But this is what you're gonna get out of the box. This is where all the attachments are stored. I'm gonna pull that out very slowly, and inside here you're gonna get a hose, a metal wand, a combination floor tool, a Parquet Twister, and the Miele comfort handle. Okay, and as complete as it's gonna get for this model. And right in here is a vacuum. I usually like to take this out like that. Pull it out nice and easy. It's a beautiful, gorgeous car. So it's a C3, which is a full-size model of Miele vacuums. Do you need to keep the box? No. All the information we need as far as serial numbers and everything is stored here on that sticker on the back of the machine. Voila, C3 Limited Edition Tayberry Red. Beautiful color. You got your tools in here, and you have a bag and the 2 filters already installed. So it's pretty much put the hose and everything together. Very simple. You can watch out for that video on how to put it together and what to do, what not to do as far as how to maintain the machine. Except for that, pretty straightforward. Thanks.